Scene 1, meeting at the park. Sam and Jack meet at the park in the morning. Hey, Jack, good morning. Good morning, Sam. How are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm fine, too. What are you doing here so early? I came for a walk. What about you? Same here. I like to walk in the morning. It's so peaceful. True. The fresh air feels nice. By the way, did you finish the homework for school? Not yet. I'll do it after breakfast. What about you? I finished it last night. It was a bit hard. Yeah, especially the math problems. I'll need some help. Scene 2 at the cafe. After the walk, they decide to grab a snack at a cafe. What should we order? I think I'll have a sandwich. What about you? I'll get a cup of coffee and a muffin. Good choice. Let's sit by the window. So, what's your plan for the weekend? I might go to the zoo with my family. Have you been there? Yes, I went last month. It's amazing. Don't miss the lion and the penguins. I love penguins. I'll make sure to see them. Scene 3, at school. The boys meet during lunch break. Did you understand today's science lesson? A little. The teacher talked about space and planets, right? Yes, it was so interesting. I didn't know there were so many moons around Jupiter. Me neither. Space is so cool. By the way, what's your favorite subject? I like history. I enjoy learning about the past. What about you? I like science. I want to be an astronaut one day. That's awesome. I hope you achieve your dream. Scene 4. After school. They walk home together after school. Are you coming to the football game on Saturday? Yes, I am. Are you playing? Yes, I'm on the team. I'll be the goalkeeper. That's great. I'll cheer for you. Thanks. Do you like playing football? I do, but I'm not very good at it. I prefer basketball. We should play basketball together sometime. Scene 5, evening phone call. Sam calls Jack in the evening. Hey, Jack, what are you doing? Hi, Sam. I'm reading a book. Oh, what book is it? It's called The Jungle Adventure. It's about a boy who gets lost in the jungle. That sounds exciting. I'll borrow it after you're done. Sure. By the way, did you watch the new movie that came out last week? Not yet. Is it good? Yes. It's really funny. You should watch it. Scene 6, weekend fun. The boys meet at the playground on Saturday. Hi, Sam. How was the football game? It was amazing. We won the match. Congratulations. How many goals did your team score? We scored 3 goals. The other team scored 1. That's awesome. Let's play a game of tag now. Sure, you're it. Scene 7, talking about hobbies. After playing, they sit on a bench to rest. So, what do you like to do in your free time? I like drawing. I draw cartoons and animals. That's cool. I wish I could draw. What about you? What's your hobby? I love playing video games. My favorite is Super Adventure. I've heard of that. Can you show me how to play? Of course. Come over to my house tomorrow. Scene 8. At Sam's house. Jack visits Sam's house the next day. Wow, your room is so neat. Thanks. My mom makes sure I keep it clean. I like the posters on your wall. Are those superheroes? Yes, I'm a big fan of superhero movies. Let's play the video game now. Sure. Here's the controller. I'll teach you the basics first. Scene 9, discussing future plans. After playing, they talk about their dreams. Sam, what do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be a doctor. I like helping people. That's a noble dream. I'm sure you'll be a great doctor. Thanks. And you want to be an astronaut, right? Yes, I want to explore space and see other planets. That's so cool. Maybe one day you'll visit the moon. I hope so. Scene 10. It's time for Jack to leave. Thanks for having me over, Sam. I had a great time. Me too, Jack. Let's meet again soon. Sure. See you tomorrow at school. See you. Take care. This conversation covers various topics like school, hobbies, future plans, and casual daily interactions. It provides a mix of vocabulary and expressions to improve your English speaking skills. Practice this dialogue with a friend or partner to enhance your fluency. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share it with your friends.